Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox on Apple iPad mini. So you have to start by opening your App Store. Now click on search and type in Firefox. Then click search and then click on this icon to download this app. And now you can click open. Then here you can set this browser as your default browser, or you can click skip. Now you can sign in into your Firefox account, or you can click skip. And here you can turn notifications from this app, or you can click skip. And here you can select your theme, or you can just click save and continue. And you can select your toolbar placement, or you can just click save and start browsing. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.